Kind of a cute little cruiser. $450. I don't know. I'm already way too big for it. All right. Way more of a cruiser. I should be on that. I'm gonna die on this little thing. Go, girl, go! Working the heck out of it. This thing is cute. Look at me, 6'5", riding this little thing. My legs are almost on top of the gas tank. Comfortable. Please don't turn, please don't turn.
Let's slow things down a little bit, look at the cruiser segment. So this is the 450 CL-C is going to be our first cruiser bike in the US market. So this is going to appeal to riders that are looking for affordable quality, but they still want refined performance design. So we're calling it a 300 to 500 class Neo Retro cruiser. It's got traditional styling cues with modern amenities. So we're bringing some of that tech into the cruiser segment. So it's got the base 449cc inline twin, same smooth motor you're seeing some of the other bikes. That's tuned more for a cruiser bike. So bring that power down, keep a real friendly power curve to it, but still got some good spunk to it. It's got a low seat height, easy handling for newer riders that are coming into the market. So again, 270 firing parallel twin. They almost has kind of a V-twin sound to it, which works out quite well for a bike like this. It's got laid back cruiser style riding position. Take a look at the gauge when you're on. It's got a 3.6 inch round can. It's got that traditional look to it, but high def full color display on it. Dual chamber muffler, matte ceramic coated. Again, 27 inch seat height. They have a lot of appeal to riders looking for that. And it's got a Gates belt final drive, so maintenance free, very quiet, very durable. ABS and traction control are standard. Traction control is switchable also. So this is going to be offered in the two-tone ruby red and silver and nebula black, or a classic black look to it. It'll be at $57.99.
Favorite bike for going 80 miles an hour. I don't belong on this bike at 80. It handled it. Not in love with it. This thing is smooth, like I can't knock that. It'd be fun to rip around town. Okay, that was too much for me on this little thing. Oh bam! Do a little rear skiddy on the rear tire. Nope, does not skid at all. Zero skidding.